Welcome to the Nerdery. I'm Illusions, and today we're going to be doing a Reddit Gifts unboxing. I do believe this is going to be the shot glass gift exchange, because I signed up for 4 of them this go around. There's Arbitrary Day, which is very popular. Then there's bookmarks, shot glasses, and then a cookbook exchange. But I haven't heard anything yet from the other 3, but I did see that my Secret Santa had marked it shipped, so I am assuming that this is indeed what this is going to be. So let's open that up. Whoa, sorry if that was loud. And yes, lots of pink. What are those called? Packing peanuts. Okay, so let's see. So I have Shane, Care of Illusions, oval beer glass. Yo go Glen Coco. You go Glen Coco. I'm sorry that I know that reference, but I do know that reference. Whoa. Check that out. That is awesome. Now, if I can get into it without breaking it. I'm pretty sure that is all that is in there. So I'm going to move that aside. Use that for when I ship something out. Holy cow. This is well fortified. And rightly so, because who wants to get a broken glass for your gift exchange? Welcome back. Sorry about that. I had technical issues with my microphone, so it didn't catch my unboxing. But it did give me a chance to really enjoy this glass that my Secret Santa gave me. It is actually Orval, and it's a brewery in Belgium at the Abbey d'Orval. And I took the time to look it up, and it is really awesome. The Abbey, where the brewery is at, is beautiful, and it's really interesting. I've never had that beer before, but I'm now gonna seek it out and use the glass, because actually on the website, which I'll put in the description, actually shows you how to serve the Orval beer in your Orval glass. And hopefully I'm saying that right, and pardon me if I'm not, or please correct me in the comments below. But again, apologize for the bad quality in the video, but a huge thank you to my Secret Santa, because I've always wanted to do like a European trip, but mostly to check out castles, and it didn't even dawn on me that there's other places like Abbeys, and especially an Abbey that brews beer. Really? Come on. That is awesome. So learning more about this Secret Santa gift just made it even better. I mean, it was a cool glass to begin with, but to know a little bit about the history, which I'm going to actually spend some more time droving through the site to learn more about the Abbey and about their beer, and hopefully I'll be able to find that brew here in the States, and then I'll be able to enjoy it in my glass. But this has been Illusions for Illusions Nerdery, and this has been a unboxing for Reddit Gifts Exchange, and this was the Shots and Pints. And awesome. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. Hopefully your exchange is a tasty one too. Thank you.